Whoa. Let's do a turtle shell. Cowabunga, dude. Woo. Wait, keep the legs up. Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Woo. Ready? Cowabunga.
Okay, you're gonna make her dizzy. Crazy.
Woo. That was cool, dude.
Put her the other way.
Huh?
Put her the way she's supposed to go.
And then the way you're supposed to do it is actually face forward.
Esmeralda, you having fun? You having fun?
I like it better the other way.
Think she's getting hungry.
Push up, push up.